Year
New Year
resolutions
resolution
2026.
2026.
Wake up early in the morning.
Wake up early morning.
Go. I will eat
I will eat
healthy food.
healthy food. I will come to school all time.
On time.
On time.
I will
I will
keep my
keep my
classroom
classroom
clean.
clean.
I will say
I will say
please,
please,
sorry,
sorry,
and thank you.
and thank you.
I will be
I will be
kind
kind
to
to
my friends.
my friends. Protect nature.
I will say
I will say
good morning
good morning
to everyone.
to everyone. I will not fight.
I will
I will
help my
help my
parents at home.
at home. I will stand in a line.
I will stand in a line.
I will be good.
I will
I will
listen to
listen to
my
my
teachers.
teachers.
I will be
will be
honest. I will not waste food. Dear parents, please spend time with your kids.
Thank you.